Addiction, addiction, addiction. We know it's a problem. We know this isn't good for us in any way. But why aren't we able to stop? Why do we keep doing the same things over and over? Why do we end up blaming ourselves? Our lack of will. In today's video, we're gonna go through how to manage addiction step by step. Addiction doesn't depend on willpower. The reason you're not changing isn't because you're weak, and it isn't because you're not trying hard enough. It's because you're resisting. Actually, you're at the point where you can't handle something anymore, so you're rebounding from it. Addiction is your hiding place. Being too anxious, depressed, angry, scared, bored, or other reasons make you try to hide from things. This is why your addiction isn't the real problem. Getting rid of your phone because you're addicted to social media won't stop you from getting addicted to something else, which could be alcohol next. This is why you must find the moment that you're rebounding from real life. Understand which situation is making you run away from reality. Sometimes it seems that you're peering through your phone or stuffing up with food just all of a sudden. Find out what exactly you're trying to bury away inside that stronger stimulus. Once you find it, put a term between your impulse and your behavior. When you feel the impulse to do something, just stop. Forcing yourself to swallow the impulse isn't going to work. If this worked, no one would have to try so hard to fix their addictions. Swallowing the impulse is resistance. Practice doing the opposite, which is relaxation. Practicing relaxation is calming the tension you feel in every corner of your body. When you resist impulses, your whole body resists. Every moment you deal with negative emotions, your body rejects the feeling at a physical level. For example, your heart may start beating faster, and your body's muscles may pull here and there as if you're tense. Because your body is denying the uncomfortable emotion, your physical reaction is to try to cover it up. This is why you should practice calming physical tensions right after you feel an impulse. Don't force yourself to reject negative feelings or try to change, but rather accept the uncomfortableness you're naturally feeling. Negative feelings and uncomfortableness will stick around for as long as you resist. Every time you lay off resistance while practicing how to calm down, you'll adapt to the uncomfortable feelings until they become easier to handle. The situation you wanted to get away from, or the person you wanted to avoid, won't be as uncomfortable as before. Your addictions will stop naturally because you don't have to escape. Addiction is a resulting behavior, and it isn't the real cause of uncomfortableness. By dealing with the right cause, you're also solving your addiction at the same time. I hope this video helps you start sorting things out. Our channel's team is making an application for practicing relaxation. This app will help you calm feelings of anxiousness and edginess easily by practicing relaxation once a day, so please look forward to it. We'll give you a heads up when it's out.